Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 3 key driving situations that challenge even experienced drivers. How to drive uphill, how to drive downhill, and how to drive safely on the freeway. Whether you're learning or refreshing your skills, these tips will keep you confident and safe behind the wheel. Let's get started. Driving uphill requires more power, more control, and good technique. Here's what to keep in mind. Maintain momentum. Don't slow down too much on the incline. If your vehicle has enough speed before the hill, it'll climb more easily. But avoid speeding, just maintain a steady pace. Use the right gear. In a manual car, downshift to a lower gear before climbing. In an automatic, press the gas firmly so the car shifts down early. This gives your engine more power. Leave space. Keep more distance between you and the car ahead, especially trucks, which may roll back slightly before moving forward on a hill. Use the handbrake on steep hills if stopping. If you're on a slope and need to stop, use your handbrake to prevent rolling backward. Release it gently as you accelerate. Bonus tip: if your vehicle struggles, don't force it. Pull off the road safely and reassess. Now let's talk about going downhill, which many people think is easier, but it's riskier. Don't rely on brakes alone. Braking constantly down a hill can cause brake overheating and failure. Instead, use engine braking. Shift to a lower gear to let the engine slow you down. This keeps your speed in check without burning up your brakes. Stay alert and watch your speed. Gravity pulls you faster downhill. Stay aware of your speed and be ready for sharp turns or sudden stops. Give large vehicles space. Trucks may go slower downhill, never tailgate. They need more distance to stop. Key takeaway: control is more important than speed when going downhill. Freeway driving can be smooth and efficient if you follow the rules. Enter smartly. Use the on-ramp to build up speed. Match the flow of traffic before merging. Don't enter slowly, it's dangerous. Merge smoothly. Check your mirrors, signal early, and look over your shoulder for your blind spot. Merge when there's a clear gap. Keep right unless overtaking. Stay in the right or middle lanes unless you're passing. The left lane is for faster-moving vehicles. Maintain safe following distance. At highway speeds, leave at least 3 to 4 seconds between you and the car in front. The more in bad weather. Stay focused and predictable. No sudden lane changes. Use your indicators. Check mirrors often. Stay off your phone. Exiting the freeway. Signal early, move into the exit lane smoothly, and reduce speed only after you've left the freeway. Driving on a freeway is all about flow, awareness, and discipline. Let's recap quickly. Hill? Use lower gear and keep steady momentum. Downhill? Don't ride the brakes, use engine control. On the freeway? Merge confidently, drive predictably, and stay alert. These situations may feel different, but with the right techniques, you stay in control and drive with confidence. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical driving tips. Until next time, drive smart, respect the road, and stay safe.